Doc, bakit mabaho pa rin ang hininga ko sa umaga kahit nag-toothbrush naman ako bago matulog? Kapag natutulog kasi tayo, yung activity ng bacteria mas mataas. Bakit? Kasi pag natutulog, wala tayong oral functions. Hindi tayo nagsasalita, hindi tayo kumakain. So, decreased yung salivary flow. Hindi nag-stimulate yung flow ng saliva. Hindi nagkakaroon ng replacement yung saliva. So, stuck or stagnant yung laway natin sa loob ng bibig. That's the number one reason. Pangalawa, dry yung bibig. Pwede kasing during sleep, naghihilik ka. Kaya during sleep, nakanganga ka. So, kapag ganun yung condition, yung dry mouth, yung kawalan ng saliva, very conducive and favorite yan ng mga bacteria natin. At kapag mababa or decreased yung salivary flow natin, doon nagkakaroon ng bacteria na mag-multiply exponentially. Kasi naturally, our saliva has antibacterial or cleansing property. So, definitely, kapag decreased yung flow nila, mas mag-multiply talaga, mas dadami talaga yung mga bacteria na to. Kaya, drinking water and staying hydrated, and of course, cleaning your tongue can help prevent your morning breath.